Hello, you're not seeing double, it's just two of the same kit, different options. It doesn't look like so the same at that angle, but turn them around, you got the first one I built and the one I just finished now. So I'll just move this one out of the way so I can concentrate on what I've just finished. This is the Royal Naval Air Service version of the kit, with the name on the side, Anzac. There we are. It says Anzac on the side. So I don't know if this was a New Zealand pilot, but or Australian. Nice kit, as I've seen before. Got the propeller turns, and the engine turns with the propeller too, so that's quite authentic. It's a radial engine, a rotary engine. Difference between radial and rotary is radial has pistons around the side, around the edge, like pointing to the middle in a radius format, and a rotary is a radial engine which goes round and round. Hence the idea rotary. So it is, in a way, I think it's air cooled in that case, but there we are, machine gun on the top. And what I've done, I've been quite trying to be a bit fancy by, there we are, you see the stripes. It's trying to make it look like it's the propeller blade has laminations, because wooden propellers are made with layers of wood rather than a solid chunk of wood. I think that's the case in most propellers. So I give it a bit of a go. The wheels do turn. It's a very simple kit from the 1970s, I think. But I did nearly ruin it because it's slightly squiff the wings are. Pretty good, but not slightly off. Because I dropped it and I caught it between my legs when I was sitting down on my lap, and I did bend it a bit. So I bent it back into shape as best I can. But there we are, the second of two Sopwith Pups on my collection. Alright, thanks for watching, and speak to you again. Ta-ra.